go. Let me... In this episode of Burnout, we freeze our butts off trying to fix that. Yeah, we do.
We're sitting in a car, but it's not supposed to be.
Oh! That was a seat mount. That was a seat mount.
No, that's the floor collapsing.
Did you put those coins in there?
Yeah. You ready?
Oh, I can't move. If I move, it's gonna.
I don't even know how to get out of here.
Oh. That
Oh,
button.
it's this thing.
Yeah. Okay. Hey,
Wow.
what if we got stuck in
I'm
here?
gonna smash the window.
Oh my god. I would have
Alright.
called someone first.
Nah.
Okay.
That's basic fire. Then yeah, we have fire now. Brought fire into the equation. Hopefully that'll solve the bolt and break every line underneath the car. Because they're already broken, so it's fine.
Oh, wow, that's so annoying.
Woo! I can
Oh
see
my
it flying
God.
down the drag strip now.
Oh, it sounds so awesome.
Except for the part where I'm literally on the ground with my feet.
It's the Flintstones car.
On this episode of Burnout, we buy a luxury car. No luxury at all. Lots of rust, though. Lots of rust, raccoons, bears, squirrels. Plants are literally growing out of the trunk. This is good.
You're gonna have to kick it in parts.
Wait!
What?
Feel this!
Power steering?
Yeah, power steering.
Wow. What?
Oh my god.
What?
Oh, I thought it was broken.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Turkey, turkey. Turkey. Yeah, I know what we're having for dinner. This is what's going on here. Really see that very well.
This is part of the armature. It
So
actually goes
is
in.
all of this.
Yeah, all these copper strands are supposed to go in between there. That's the actual armature. This is
Just all completely broken.
armatures
You're
don't
doing
do
this one.
this. Armatures do not do this. Alright,
So
that's a wrap
yeah.
on Burnout.
Actually, it's not a wrap on Burnout.
I can
The
rap if
episode's
you want
not
me to
over.
rap.